Hey guys, who at home owns one of these? You know these around the house? Pop in the comments below. How many of you have these at home? These extension cables. This is a 4-gang extension cable that I have at home. And they'll power or charge any device using the 3-pin plugs or whatever country you're in, 2-pin it may be. But have you ever considered one of these? So this is the iBLOCKCUBE T09. Now, it is an extension cable. You have 3 plug sockets on this one. You can get up to 2 meters and 5 meters in length. Now, it's not just got obviously the 3 sockets on there. You also have the ability to plug in 4 USB-A devices, and there's also 2 USB-C ports on there as well. So it opens up a lot more options on what you're powering up and what you're charging. So this next part, I never thought I'd say. Here are specifications of power extension block. Here we go. So like I said, 4 USB-As, 2 USB-Cs, and 3 standard plug sockets, power sockets. Now there is a USB-C there at the top, which actually offers 20 watt fast charging. You might be saying that's not very fast, but in today's world, to get super fast, you need to buy just a separate independent USB-C charger. Where this, obviously you get more ports and the sockets as well, and a bonus 20 watt USB-C charger. Now the USB-C port below that is a slightly slower speed, and then the other 4 standard USB ports, that's USB 3.1 technology as well. So we have a big chunky power switch. Now it also says there's 750 Celsius high flame retardant, and there's also overload protection, and the power cable that's actually coming out of the box is really thick, and it does feel quite premium as well, so I'm quite confident in that case. So for the moment I've put this on the side of my desk, and I'm powering my table, which is here, and also one of the main lights that I use for video recording, and I've banged in a few USB cables in there as well. Now also with this you get like a little cable tidy sticker that you can stick over to the wall or to whatever surface you like, and they pop open. You can just tidy your cables through that. So there's 2 USB-C ports, and I wanted to test how fast the main one actually is. So plugging my Pixel 7 Pro in, when you plug it in, it says charging rapidly. I think it's at about 52 minutes to full charge. I then tried the USB-C port below that, and it says charging, and it says 58 minutes. So it's not a huge difference in speed, doesn't seem to be anyway. Let me just disconnect it now, because I'm going to turn the switch off here, and you'll see my light go off. But you should still be able to see me, okay? Unplug these. Let's unplug the table and the lights. Bit more of a close live look at it. And sort of get an idea of the size. It's not too massive or too big. There's one thing that I think is missing, if they do obviously any future designs, is maybe little holes cut out there so you can mount it to a wall, screw it to a wall or whatever. You could maybe use sticky pads, but a lot of them you do see cutouts at the back where you can hook them onto screws and stuff. That'd be pretty cool, so you can mount it on the wall. But yeah, this is the black one. You also get a white one as well. Close look at the chunky button. So there's power in there. There's a nice little light that displays there as well. But I think obviously a lot of people will be thinking in terms of safety. This cable does feel really good, so I don't think you've got anything to worry about there. Nice and thick. The thicker the better, I believe. Let's plug the light back on. There we go. We're back. We're back. Yeah, so I know what you're thinking. Is this an extension cable? Or why are you doing a video about an extension cable? It's quite geeky, I'd say. Especially now, obviously they're adding the USB ports. Everything's going USB, and everything eventually will be USB-C. USB-C to USB-C. And there's a couple of ports on there as well. So when you do think about buying an extension cable in the future, consider one of these with these extra USB ports on, so you can charge all your devices, smartphones, cameras, or whatever you may have. Thank you all very much for watching. I'll include links to this in the description if you want to take a look. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.